Observations indicate that the universe is expanding at an ever-increasing rate. It will expand forever, getting emptier and darker. Although the universe doesn't have an end, it had a beginning in the Big Bang.
Theoretical physicist and cosmologist Lawrence Krauss, world-renowned evolutionary biologist and author of The God Delusion, Richard Dawkins.
Physicists are still working on the origin of the cosmos. Among them is Lawrence Krauss. It is very mysterious how the universe came into being. It's a deeply mysterious and interesting question.
There must have been a time when no physical things existed, but something can't come from nothing.
Something can come from nothing, and that's what physicists are now telling us.
What Richard is describing as nothing is a sort of a mixture of particles and perhaps a vacuum with electromagnetic forces.
You can dispute exactly what's meant by nothing, but whatever it is, it's very, very simple. What's funny about that? Why is that funny? What is funny about that?
Okay, we'd like...
Why is that funny?
Well, I think it's a bit funny to be trying to define nothing.
My question is to Professor Krauss. Wow. The last time that your good friend Richard Dawkins was on Q&A, he was asked rather mockingly how we can possibly get something from nothing. Being a biologist and not a physicist, Richard respectfully declined to give a comprehensive answer. Now that we have you here, could you please give us a more detailed explanation as to how the universe can in fact arise from nothing?
It seems impossible, and I watched Richard when he was here, actually trying to explain, couldn't understand it. But what is amazing, it is an amazing fact. The amazing thing is that the universe is unbelievably amazing.
But if you're claiming that the universe came from nothing, and nothing isn't really nothing, where did the nothing come from?
No, well, look, you know, the interesting thing is science...
Where did the laws of physics come from?
I didn't say it's not nothing. I actually think the point is science changes what we mean by words. So I've discussed with philosophers, and they say, you know what, we don't like your definition of nothing.
What I'm hearing from you is that, hey, these people like Aristotle are addressing nothing, and it's no properties, an empty set. But now, in order for us to answer it, let's change the meaning of the term. So in order to get an answer, let's just change the question altogether.
No. Well, I would argue that nothing is a physical quantity. It's the absence of something.
Why is that funny?
Well, I think it's a bit funny to be trying to define nothing. Well, there are many troubles with Richard's teachings, but a fundamental one is that he dumbs down God and he soups up nothing.